everyone, it's me, Jacqueline, the Cocker Spaniel. And guess what? It's like outside. It looks so bright, like on camera, but it's really out. Like it's kind of raining earlier, but it wasn't. But today it's so. And yesterday it was so nice. I was at the beach and stuff, and I really wanted to make a video, but I didn't have a webcam or a camera. Actually, I had a camera. My cousin's camera. It's the exact same kind as mine, but black. But yeah, I'm going to show you my sunburn. Ow. Well, yeah. So anyway, it's just a random video because I haven't uploaded videos in a week, and I won't be able to upload videos in another week. So yeah, I'm probably going to end up bringing my camera to camp, so I'm going to want to have no webkins videos on it. So yeah. I'm going to upload as many videos as I can. So thanks for watching. Bye!